Okay, Richard, how long have you been a patient of Dr. Balle's?
I want to say about 10 years.
Okay, and how did you find Dr. Balle?
It was through my employers when I first moved to Vegas. I had broken a tooth, and they were already patients of his, and they basically said that you wouldn't want to go anywhere else, and they were right.
So what's your experience like here that is different from going to another dentist? What makes us different?
The staff, really. First off, is due to circumstances beyond my control, I had lapses in my care, but it doesn't matter. I can call up and Cindy will know my voice
Yeah,
every time.
that's great.
The actual care, Dr. Balle knows, it's like every one of his patients by heart, and that man does not have an unprofessional bone in his body, and he's just so amazing with whether it's just an examination or I'm just getting ready to have a crown fitted, so that was a little involved, but it's just the amount of care that he gives, and he actually does care about his patients.
Did you ever have fears going to the dentist before Dr. Balle?
Absolutely. When I used to live in the San Fernando Valley, I had my first root canal ever at just before 30. And the dentist there at that time, and this was several years ago, quite a bit of discomfort in the procedure. And once it was all over, no follow-up. So it left me very scarred. And I had come here on an emergency basis for a broken tooth. And it basically was a basket case. But with his help, I was able to just come here with no fear at all.
Great, so he took all those fears away.
Absolutely.
And dentist is just coming here is nothing.
Yeah, the man could probably tell me I would need some bizarre procedure, and knowing that coming from him, I would believe him. There's no need for a second opinion.
Great, great. And you would recommend us to your friends and family?
Always have.
Okay, great. Thanks for being such a good patient.